Tabuka Isaac, the head of Department Building and Civil Engineering at the Siaya National Polytechnic. Now, in our department, we have several courses we are offering. Now, we have a civil engineering course that is offered at level 6 under CBET, and we have building technology level 6, level 5, level 4, and 3. We have land surveying at level 5 and level 6, and then we have architecture at level 6. We have water engineering at level 6, and we have plumbing at level 3, 4, 5 under CBET. Now, for entry grades, those courses that have the lowest qualification level, the highest qualification level are water engineering and civil engineering. In this case, they are offered starting from at level 6, and therefore the entry grade here is a mean grade of C- for the interested or prospective trainees who would want to join us. Now, those ones that are offered as from the lowest level are plumbing, building technology. And in this case, the plumbing and building technology, the lowest grade is level 3, and the entry grade here is a class 8 lever, or somebody who has scored a mean grade of E at high school. So they can start at the lowest level, which is level 3, and they progress on at level 4. That's a trainee who comes in and wants to join us, and maybe he has a mean grade of D-. That one will put in level 4. Level 5, we admit trainees who have the minimum grade at high school level, that is KCSE at deep lane. So anyone having a deep lane and above can be able to join at level 5, but level 4 is a D-, and this other one, the lowest one is E or class 8 lever. So if anyone wants to join at level 6, then it means you'll have to join with a minimum grade of C-. Now, we also have land surveying, which maybe I may not have mentioned. Land surveying is offered the lowest qualification level is level 5, and then the highest is level 6. So anyone who joins us with a mean grade of deep lane will start at level 5, and then once he finishes the level 5, can be able to transit to level 6. And if he comes or she comes with a C-, can be able to start at level 6. And we also have the short-term courses like painting. We have tiling. Those are short-term courses, can take at most 1 month. You'll be able to get a skill that you require to have. And not forgetting, we also have carpentry and joinery. This is also offered by under CBET program, and the lowest grade here is level 3, and then you can progress up to level 5. There are times when a trainee may want to change the course, or maybe to progress in the same field of engineering under the building and civil engineering. For example, a trainee who has done or qualified in plumbing can as well fit to join the water engineering at the highest level. So that's all that we are offering, and we are still anticipating to offer more courses in building and civil engineering department. Thank you.